Everyone, today we are going to do homemade dog treats. So you're going to need some oats. I have quick oats sitting in my cabinet, some peanut butter, applesauce, 2 eggs, a mixing bowl, cookie sheet to put them on for baking. You're going to need a food processor because we have to ground the quick oats. And then we're also going to need some measuring cups and a mixer. First, we're going to start out by preheating our oven to 350. Then we're going to take some of our quick oats and process them. I've already done about 4 cups. You're going to need about 8. So we're going to do this twice. We're going to need 4 full cups. I have a half cup measuring here. I'm going to process a little bit more. Alright, so now that we have 4 cups of our oat flour, we're going to add a half cup of peanut butter. That to our oats. And then we're going to add 2/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce. And then we will crack 2 eggs. And you're going to mix this dough together until it's not sticky. If it's still too sticky, you can add more flour to it. Alright, so now that we've got our dough all mixed together, it's not too sticky, we're going to roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick. Piece it back together. And then for Valentine's Day, I have these cute little heart cookie cutters. And I'm just gonna start cutting them out. And we're gonna put them on our cookie sheet. Once we have them all cut out and put on our cookie sheet, we're gonna put them into our oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so now we got all of our cookies baked, and they're gonna be kind of hard, crunchy, so that's when you know that they'll be ready. I have melted some white chocolate here. Luckily, white chocolate is non-toxic to dogs because it does not contain any cocoa, so it's perfectly safe. You can also try to find some yogurt chips and melt it down also. It's kind of more expensive, so I'm gonna go with white chocolate. You just kind of dip it a little bit. Let it set up. And you can dip these however you think you want your decorations to look. And do a couple of these. Also have some red and pink chocolate for Valentine's Day because, you know, our pooches need some love too. So I put it in some bags here. It'll be a little bit easier to manage. I'm just gonna kind of drizzle, kind of cute, however you want. I'm gonna go back through with some pink. And if you like, you can use some sprinkles too. I didn't have any quite on hand, but those are all right. So then, when we're all done, we have a nice, cute little Valentine's Day heart. Now that all of our cookies are all decorated, we have to put the cookies to the test. Chief, come here. Oh, good boy. Seemed like they passed, so I chose this recipe because it was super easy, quick. It was everything that I had in my cabinets already, or relatively inexpensive if you do have to purchase them. Everything you can get pretty much at the dollar store or Walmart. So enjoy it. I hope that your pooches will love it too. Hi, Chief.